Hi, this is Yogesh Chabria, and I was speaking to Gauri, my wife, and she was reminding me something. We had done a program for the Indian Army. I was speaking, and she was doing the pranayam and the yoga session, and it was a wonderful experience. I have a lot of love and respect and regard for the Indian Army. And she told me she had read a quote which said that everything you desire is on the other side of fear. And this is such a powerful quote. And if you visit, I've had the privilege, I've had the honor and the opportunity, and I feel so humbled to have visited the Army, the Indian Naval Academy. If you visit the Air Force, you have these wonderful quotes there which you can learn. And it's so true. Everything you truly desire is on the other side of fear. If you want happiness, if you want love, if you want success, if you want health, anything you want. And many times I feel so many people out there, you put yourself down. You don't go and give what you're meant to do for the world. You have a gift, you're special. Whatever your gift could be, anything. Your gift could be cooking, your gift could be music, your gift could be writing, your gift could be singing, your gift could be dancing, your gift could be architecture, your gift could be inventing something, your gift could be engineering, design, so many things. Your gift could be you want to be an author, whatever you want. But many times you hold yourself back. You don't own up what you're meant to do. From this moment on, there's a reason you're watching this video or you're listening to this on the podcast. Go out there and own what you're meant to do. Own it up, because what you have is truly a gift. And in the beginning, I was speaking to somebody and she says, I've always wanted to write and I love reading. I read Nobel Prize-winning authors. I read authors who have won the Booker Prize. But in my head, I don't think I'm as good as them. And this is what happens with many people. They think they're not as good as somebody who's their role model. But remember, whenever you start, you're going to make mistakes. Whenever you start, it doesn't matter. And you evolve, you grow, you learn. And that's why it's so important to get started. If you want to be an author, go and write a book and share your message with more people. Whatever you want to do, start off now. And along the way, you will evolve, you will grow. Look at human beings now. Where did you start? Look at the history of human beings. Did you start here? No, you started in the oceans and gradually evolved. You look at human beings 100,000, 200,000 years ago, very different from today. You look at human beings 50,000 years ago, very different from today. So you keep evolving, you keep growing, you keep learning. And the only way to evolve, the only way to learn is to let go of fear. And many times people have this perfection complex. And what is perfection complex? They feel they'll do things only when they are perfect. They're perfectionists. And if you're a perfectionist, many times you won't be able to do anything. Because when you have perfection, you're actually somebody who doesn't have a lot of self-confidence in yourself. Because the universe is chaotic. Right? You look at the mountains, the mountain edges, the mountain cliffs are not perfect. They're chaotic, but that chaos is also beautiful. I'm reminded of a story of Swami Vivekananda. And Swami Vivekananda, his message was of living life without fear. And he took this message back in the day to America. And when he went to America, he was on stage and he was sharing his message. And as he was speaking, there was somebody who did not agree with him. And there are people who don't agree. There are people who don't agree with me, and that's perfectly fine. But this person took it to the extreme. He took a gun, and he shot at the stage. He wanted to shoot Swami Vivekananda. And Swami Vivekananda was just there with the mic speaking, and the bullet just passed him. But Swami Vivekananda was so brave, he did not move. He just continued keeping his message. He just kept speaking. And the bullet passed, and of course, the people in the crowd pounced at the man. They took him away. And when he got off stage, they asked him, Swami Vivekananda, weren't you afraid? He said, no. Because the moment I'm going to die, I'm going to die. No matter what I do, I'm going to die. So I will rather live. I will rather live every moment without fear, because if you let fear take you over, fear won't let you sleep at night. Fear won't let you do what you're truly meant to do. Fear will kill you every single moment. But the moment you let go of fear, you live life truly. So right now, let go of fear. Whatever it is that you wanted to do, this is a signal. The fact that you're watching this video, the fact that you're listening to this on a podcast, probably somebody might have shared this with you. This is a signal. This is a chance for you to move out of the darkness of fear and move into light and go out. The world needs your gift. The world, there's a reason you have been gifted with it. Go out and just enjoy the journey.